collect as much money as possible. And I feel there was a time when, hundreds of years back, when there were kings and Maharajas, and there are no kings and Maharajas today, but the kings and Maharajas are the corporates. And it's their duty, the corporate heads, industrials, they are the Maharajas, they are the kings, and it is their duty to put their hands in the pocket. The afternoon, plan here has made it possible for them to study, join themselves, and I could see that I had a lot of met children when I was very young, when I used to stay in Chembur and Bolivar and all those kind of, and that's what has really, it's only been a year since I've been involved, and I'm trying my best that I should be involved as much as possible to collect as much funds as possible. Thank you, Sanju. Thank you once again. Thank you, Rahul. Thank you, Poonam. Thank you, Bose, for being here, and thank you all for that, and all the media and all the guests over here. Thank you very, very much.
We at Plans are really lucky because the moment we started this event, we didn't even realize what kind of support we would get. We were trying to auction 10 to 15, and here we are with 64 paintings, quite a few generously donated by a lot of artists, and to art advisor to various art funds, new upcoming auction houses, and a cross-section of serious art collectors. Angira Arya. I'm going to repeat.
Everybody over here has some of these beautiful works of art.
Thank you, congratulations. Not at all. My pleasure. Not at all. Fantastic. Keep up the great work. Keep up the great work. Of me? If I can help any, let me know. Phone call.
His hat and just a small